Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling captions in settings because the phone needs permission to show them. Open Accessibility, then Subtitles and Captioning, and turn on Closed Captions plus SDH. Once done, pick a built-in style or tap Create New Style to adjust font, size, and background for better contrast. Make sure you test with a short video so you can see text size and color in context. This immediate step activates subtitles system-wide for videos and many apps. Now use subtitles while playing content. Open the video in Apple TV, Photos, or your streaming app. Tap the screen to reveal controls, then tap the speech or subtitle icon to view available caption tracks. If multiple languages or forced captions appear, select the track you enabled in settings. Make sure to restart the video if captions don't show immediately. Some apps load tracks only at playback start. This ensures you get accurate timing and the style you configured earlier. Finish by fine-tuning and fixing common issues. If text is too small, return to Subtitles and Captioning and adjust size, font, or background. You'll see changes immediately. If captions don't appear, restart the app or toggle closed captions off and on because some players need a reload. Make sure the app itself supports captions and that you've selected a subtitle track inside the app. If problems persist, update the app. Compatibility updates often restore caption function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.